Welcome back. If this is your first visit, I want to demystify the Google space. If you're not sure why you're here and what you can receive or what I'm going to be talking to you about, I'm going to quickly inform you so you can subscribe and become a part of this community. One of the most important things I found over the last 15 years of being in business, and really specifically being expert in the field of Google visibility, is the power of Google and how it's changed so many clients' lives over the last 15 years, turning small businesses into big businesses and medium-sized businesses into huge international businesses. My job as the MD and search engine expert at IT Design in Port Elizabeth is to share information with you to help your business grow. So in this series of videos that I'll be placing in the next few weeks, I will be demystifying everything that worries you about Google and how it works. It's not that complicated. And as a business owner, you might have a team of experts on call. You might have a fantastic graphic design team making stunning pictures. You might have a really good website designer, and you might have a Google marketer, maybe something in the pay-per-click space for Google Ads. At the end of the day, these guys are empowered by you. Although they're actually doing the work, people like me, physically pressing the buttons and making the changes, it is important that you understand the importance of the content. Your role in this business, you being the subject matter expert. So if you're unsure what this is about, rest easily. I'm going to be teaching you, the business owner. This is not for techies. It's not for web developers. This channel aren't for pay-per-click marketers. This channel was created for you. It's you and I sitting down talking about changing your business. So please help me. Share this video, subscribe, comment, ask your questions. Over the next few months, I'll be answering as many questions as I possibly can. I love doing this. I love seeing you grow, and I would love you to be part of this community and help me grow your business. Everything concerning Google SEO, search, all those acronyms that drive you nuts. Search engine optimization, search engine marketing, YouTube, pay-per-click marketing, Google ads, display ads, YouTube ads, video ads. All these things will be demystified in time. Google business listings, Google map listings. How do I get my business there? Why should I have a YouTube channel? How does all of these things work together and explode my business and my visibility? That's what I'm about. And that's why I invite you to become part of this community. Stay tuned and grow. See you in the next one.